Say hello to the Gladius, a smart, submersible drone built for filming, exploring, and observing the underwater world. A portable and user-friendly device, you'll be amazed by the sea life you can find just below the waterline. Impress your friends with the ultra-high-definition 4K camera and stunning 12-megapixel photos with dual dimmable LED lights that cover 135 degrees. Fly around the coral reef with ease, utilizing Gladius's incredible stabilizing technology. Using the simple game-like controller, navigate comfortably with the 2 joysticks and capture photo and video with the push of a button. Explore places you've never been, hop on a boat with some friends, and search the deep with dives down to 100 meters. See something in the distance? Go check it out! The towable floating buoy has a far-reaching 100-meter safe operating range. Gladius comes with 2 kinds of buoyancy weight modules for both freshwater and seawater. Select the proper weight module for any type of adventure. Enjoy your day at the beach. With 2 built-in batteries, you will have plenty of time to see beautiful seascapes, staying submerged for up to 3.5 hours on one charge. Whether you are a scuba diver, underwater photographer, fisherman, or explorer, the Gladius is an excellent tool for you. Capture your deepwater adventure everywhere. Welcome to the underwater world.
I think we can all agree that we're living in the future right now. Jennifer here has a smartphone that enables her to order a ride home, control the temperature, turn on the lights, pay for things. Face it, we're living in a technological wonderland. And yet here we find Phil. Phil's forgotten the combination of his travel lock. Here's the current solution to that problem. We live in an era filled with technological marvels, and yet this is what happens when Phil forgets a lock combination? Is that the best we can do? No, because we live in an era where the airbolt exists. The airbolt is a travel lock you control with your smartphone. It's the lock the future deserves. A lock with customizable security settings. This airbolt opens whenever my phone is within Bluetooth range. Or maybe you don't trust anyone in your life. That's fine. The settings on this airbolt require me to enter a password into the app. Or maybe your airbolt's been stolen. That's fine too, because you can set your airbolt to activate an alarm when it moves too far away from your phone. Or you can activate the alarm manually. Stop that man. It's the justice the future deserves. Hi, Bill.
Hi.
Tell them what happened, Bill.
I lost my bag.
You lost your... We live in a world where I can use my smartphone to monitor my sleeping patterns, but Bill here can't find his bag. If Bill had been using the airbolt instead of some antique, he could have located it using the airbolt's crowdsourced GPS network. Or what if you lose your phone? Well, you can still unlock your airbolt by logging in from another device. Or you can enter a backup button code using your hands, like some kind of prehistoric man. The airbolt has a rechargeable battery, which only needs to be charged once a year via a standard micro USB connector. It's TSA approved, so airport security is not an issue. The app will record a history of every time you've locked and unlocked your airbolt. You can even share access to your airbolt with your friends, so you'll be able to unlock it from the other side of the world. Thanks, pal. You're welcome, buddy. And look how small it is. Seriously, look at it. It's really small. Airbolt. It's the travel lock we all deserve.
Introducing the Dr. Save Vacuum Travel Kit. It comes with the handheld vacuum and 4 bags, 2 large and 2 small. To start saving space now, open the top of the handheld vacuum and install 3 AA batteries. Pack as many clothes, blankets, or soft goods as will comfortably fit in one of the vacuum bags. Seal the top using the provided plastic bag sealer. Place the handheld vacuum on top of the nozzle, press the button on the top to activate, and wait as all the air is sucked out of the vacuum travel bag. When all the air has been removed, press the button again to stop the vacuum sealer and replace the cap. The bag's now ready to be thrown into any suitcase or placed into long-term storage. If you are traveling with it, make sure you throw the handheld vacuum sealer into your bag for the trip home.